Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your emotions? Anger, fear, anxiety, despair. These feelings seem to have the power to drag us away from our inner balance. But what if I told you there was a way to regain control? An ancient secret that has withstood the test of time and continues to guide the souls of great leaders, philosophers, and warriors. Welcome to our video, where we'll delve into the profound and powerful truth at the heart of Stoicism. You cannot control what happens around you, but you can control how you react to it. In a world where criticism doesn't affect you, pressure doesn't crush you, and uncertainty doesn't paralyze you, true emotional freedom is within your reach. Thanks to Stoicism. In this ultimate guide to mastering yourself, we'll explore the core principles of Stoicism, from ethics to daily practice, so you can embark on the path of self-discipline, resilience, and true emotional freedom. Don't let your emotions guide you. Master them and rule your destiny. Join us on this epic journey of self-discovery and transformation. Press play and get ready to change your life forever. At the foundation of Stoicism lies the principle of control over self. This principle is the cornerstone of Stoicism, the starting point for mastering your emotions and achieving true inner freedom. The Stoics believe that each of us has an inner center, a part of our mind under our direct control, which they called prohersis. This core of our ability to choose and decide is where our power lies. Everything that happens outside of this core is beyond our control. The key revelation here is that while you can't control external events, you have the power to choose how you interpret and react to them. For example, losing your job is an external event beyond your control, but you can choose to view it as an opportunity for growth and reinvention rather than feeling defeated and hopeless. The key to controlling your emotions is controlling your judgments and choices. The Stoics practice cognitive distortion, a technique that involves re-examining your thoughts and beliefs to ensure they are rational and realistic. They believe that many negative emotions result from unreflective and distorted judgments about external events. By questioning and reframing these judgments, you can change your emotional response. Stoicism is not about repressing emotions, but about directing them in constructive ways and finding a healthy balance between reason and emotion. So, the first lesson of Stoicism is to focus on what is in your control, your mind, your choices, and your reactions, while recognizing that everything else is external and cannot dictate your inner happiness. The second fundamental principle of Stoicism is the pursuit of virtue. Virtue is not just about being a good person. It is about finding a path to true contentment and serenity. Stoics believe that virtue is the only true good, and all other things such as wealth and fame are indifferent compared to it. Virtue is represented by four cardinal virtues: courage, fairness, prudence, and temperance. Courage is the foundation of all other virtues, allowing you to face fear and act bravely. Fairness involves treating others with kindness, respect, and consideration. Prudence means making wise choices and acting wisely, while temperance is about controlling desires and seeking balance. The pursuit of virtue is an ongoing journey of self-development. It means cultivating these virtues in your daily life, making them an integral part of who you are. Ethical reflection, where you reflect on your actions and behaviors each day to align them with the virtues, can help you identify areas for improvement. Additionally, Stoicism encourages the contemplation of death to remind us of our mortality and value the time we have. The love of destiny principle teaches us to embrace all situations in life as opportunities for growth and learning. It encourages us to accept circumstances, turn obstacles into opportunities, focus on internal control, and resign with resilience. Join the community of Stoic wisdom and help spread the wisdom of Stoicism to control emotions and make the world a more peaceful and resilient place. one Stoic at a time. Subscribe, like, and share this video to embark on your journey toward true emotional freedom with Stoicism.